Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about problem when you can't connect your iPhone to your iTunes. So how you can fix it. So first thing you need to check your charge cable. So if you just use your cable and you don't connect with Wi-Fi, so you just need to change your cable, or you can also just try to clean your charging port. Sometimes it can be caused by this because your charging port can be damaged by some things. So also if you check it and if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to update your iTunes on your computer, and also you can try to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here general, and in the general you need to find software update and wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available updates, you just need to download and install them on your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also do it. Just tap on download and install and it will successfully update your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.